Istedoncha bumanayas Jehojivka.
Sylvanna Caldwell, Jehojivka dos.
Aha. Estan lagi chidoa.
Wetumpka leges.
She said her name is Sylvanna Caldwell and she lives in Sylvanna Caldwell and she lives in Wetumpka. Mvskoke bonaga bonai jijola didoa.
Doza Panaya dos.
Doza.
Mm-hmm.
I asked her if she spoke the Mvskoke language and she said that she talks it a little bit. Mvskoke da bonaya gidoa.
Mm-hmm.
Jijutkaza bonaya jijola didoa unga.
Ma.
Mvskoke bonaga.
Uh-huh.
Mvskoke bonaya gidoa.
Uh-huh.
Mo bonaya gidoa.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Jijitwa Mvskoke demet bonaidoa. Jitski. Did your mom and dad or your family talk?
Grandparents.
Grandparents. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I didn't have family.
Okay. Not Jimbo Handoya. Here, inokida thako lagangi. That COVID ge honja.
Uh-huh.
Isti sogi inoke jagangi. Jinhichkanga.
Uh-uh.
Jinhichkiganga.
Uh-uh.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Jinhisogi da unga Jimistogi mara inichkaganga. Ma COVID.
Mm-hmm.
De gitlichigo de inichkaga.
Go.
COVID.
Mm-hmm.
Gitlichigo de munganga.
Mongus.
OS. Yeah, inokura tako I thought isti inoke jagat. I said, when the COVID was going around, was there a lot of people other people that you knew that got that sickness?
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
She said that, did some people pass away that you knew?
Mm-hmm. Stroke.
Oh, after having COVID?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's see what else. Dan jijola di dono wa Mvskoke bonaga bonai chidi, like, can you tell us where you grew up and how can you do that in the language? Where you grew up at, where you went to school or whatever? Can you do that in the language?
Studiare Panaga Panaya dos. Ma
Jimistogi?
Huh?
Jimistogi?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Jibojamet bonai domat smakto gichigera.
Uh-huh. Panaya.
Jibosida mara bonai domat.
Uh-huh.
Maningi khichedi.
Uh-huh.
Okay, she said that she was raised up by her grandparents and she learned they could speak the language and she started speaking the language. Her grandpa and grandma could both speak, so they spoke together as a language. Jijithwada ojichidoa. Brothers, do you have brothers? Ojichido. Jindogoza.
Sister Oja.
Oh, uh-huh. She has a sister. Let's see. Here, Mvskoke bonaga mahonga. We talk about the Creek language. Do you think that someday that it's going to die?
Uh-huh.
And why do you think that? Mvskoke bonaga mahonga.
Studiare Panaga Panaya Chinua Tingstos. But Panaya Chinua.
Bonai chimunginawa.
Yes.
Okay. She said that she was told that if you keep speaking the language that it'll keep on going. Manitergi hanyowa the young people these days, why do you think they don't want to learn the language?
They're not around it.
But- Mvskoke Makchidi.
Panaga
Bunayigi Gadi.
Kitezix. Ma. Panaga Chinwat. Kit. I say young people.
Manitogi. Uh-huh.
They don't speak it.
Bunayigi Gadi.
They're not around it.
Okay. The young people, she said they're not around it enough to learn the language or to know it. When COVID came into our land, why do you think COVID came into our land? Why were people getting sick with this disease? What do you think was the cause of it? I guess that's what you'd say.
Flu.
Flu?
It's a flu.
Hada, they say it's going to come again. Do you think that it will? Hada?
Hadam.
Hada alagahidi.
Lagitos.
Alagitos. She said that it will come again, the COVID thing. If you, Sijari Bunaga Makchidi, if you had to tell young people about the language, how it's going to die, how would you tell them in Mvskoke that this is what they need to do? Mvskoke Bunaga Magichi.
What? COVID ke hoja. Ma. Just just you know what? Take care of yourself.
If you get COVID, make sure you take care of yourself. Mvto. Ija Egypt. Mo'ip jokolak nuan, I guess you would say. When COVID comes on you, take care of yourself. And nakita da Mvskoke Bunaga Bumanada Georgia.
Nugget.
Nakita da Mvskoke Bunaga Bumanada Georgia. Negin Magida Georgia. I said, what do you want to say in the language? Something you can tell us in the language.
Istijari panaga panai what? Histos.
She said, if you speak the Mvskoke language, that it is good. Ida da nak Magida Georgia, do you have anything else you'd like to add to it? Anything? Or Madigos Makchinoa?
Madigos.
Madigos, okay. She said that's it.